So while I was filming the video regarding the doing rail kit or undoing rail kits on the switch, we have another surprise in behind, which is unboxing of a new server. Anuj sir, say hi to the camera. Whole lot of bubble wraps. Which model it is? It is Dell 630, PowerEdge 630. These are the pseudo mounts. इसके अलावा और भी कुछ था क्या इसके अंदर?
रेल किट्स है, पावर केबल्स है.
So we have rail kits and power cables in the box. आपने निकाल लिया उसे? Okay, so we still have some stuffs in the box as well. Let's see that. So we just have to put that union. So what else we got? Along with these foams, cutlets of foam, we have rail kits. Rail kits again. We have some strange polythene, and what we get is power cable. Actually, two of which, because the following server come with two power supplies baked in. So let me ensure that दो power supply है इस पे. Yes.
दो रैम देना.
RAM sticks. Okay. Now the sir is asking for a RAM. Which one? 16 GB. 10600R.
DDR4.
DDR4, where I can find that? कौन से चेक करेंगे हैं?
PC4.
PC4. अच्छा, ये PC4 ये बताता है कि DDR का जनरेशन कौन सा है. ओके, ये भी PC3 है. नेक्स्ट, ये भी PC3 है कहाँ PC4? डब्बे में होगा क्या?
उसी में होगा.
हाँ, ये PC4 है. लो सर. I love to nerd out on these kind of stuff. ये पावर ऑन है. So you can see that the green amber LED, so the orange amber LED is blinking.
इसको पावर केबल दें. वो लगा देने के लिए इसका एंड लाइट देना.
Because we don't plug the first power. Yes, this is the first power supply. This is the second one. Because the server is powered by a single power supply, that's why this amber light is blinking, indicating that there is one power failure. But actually it's not a failure, we just plugged into a single source, that's why. And this is the output we are getting. You can see the model as well, Dell R630. And that's all in this video, because I have to check the rail kits for all these switches as well. So see you in a while. Bye. Thank you for your time.